But
see, let me tell you something. I keep warning you, and take this by warning. You are saying Ifeanyi Ubah is dead. He's not dead. He's alive. It's just a prank. That is the truth. A prank remains a prank. This is what I call Nigerian prank. I go see you. No worry. I go see you. Yes.
hey, my MC Grandma, longest time for now.
All right, longest time, my brother. Yes, good morning, my brother.
What's good now? What's good? What's good?
Everything is good about the morning.
Okay. Have you heard about the recent happening in Anambra State? Senator Famba is dead.
He is not dead. You people, I don't know who gives you this information that is dead. Dead? How can he be dead?
No,
Senator Ifeanyi Ubah is not dead. I can confidently tell you that.
No, I think he died. No, he died in the UK. You know, of heart attack. You know, cardiac arrest.
Where did you read that one from? This is Nigerian prank. He is not dead. They are just trying to fool us. This is not the first time Nigeria have been pranking us. They are just trying to use it so that Nigeria is just over. After some time, they will tell you that Ifeanyi Ubah is in the hospital or that Ifeanyi Ubah is somewhere enjoying himself. Come on. Delete this thing. Ifeanyi Ubah is not dead. He's alive.
But everybody, even Tulumbu, you know, Peter Obi, you know, they've come out to, you know, commiserate with the family and you know, give their condolence speech to the.
Look at you calling Tinubu. Tinubu is a prank master. How can a prank master come out to tell? He's a prank master. So what do you expect from a prank master? Peter Obi, all of them, they are prankers. So what are we saying? Those ones are just coming out to tell us.
We're talking about death. We're not talking about politics here.
My brother, yes, I'm also talking about death. He's not dead. Ifeanyi Ubah is still alive. Are you the one that killed him? That is the question.
But they said he went for, you know, his daughter's graduation in the UK. So I think it happened in his hotel. You know, I don't think they'll be lying as regards this.
When he went for the graduation, did he tell you? Did he inform you? Then how did you know he's dead? Listen, come on, delete all this rubbish they are writing about. Ifeanyi Ubah is not dead. Okay, have you forgotten Delegiwa case? What killed Delegiwa? The guy that Delegiwa saw that they claim that they have killed during Babangida time and they shifted him to abroad is the same guy that Delegiwa met in abroad and decided to expose him before they killed him. He said today that we have been seeing pranks in Nigeria. So these guys are prankers. They are a bunch of prankers. They are trying to prank us. So to me, to you, Ifeanyi Ubah is dead. To me, he is not dead.
But I don't think somebody like Ifeanyi Ubah would want to do something like this because he knows that he's a very important figure, you know, in the lives of so many people in Anambra and in Nigeria as a whole. Do you think he wants to play this kind of prank, you know, just because?
When Ifeanyi Ubah died, did he tell you that he died? That's the question I'm asking you.
He's already died. There's no way the person can talk again.
Then Ifeanyi Ubah is not dead. That is it. Wait until 2 weeks. Let's see what comes out of it. And you are here jumping into conclusion that is dead. Wait until 2 weeks.
By then, they must have buried him.
What happens tomorrow if you see Ifeanyi Ubah alive? What are you going to say? I'm asking you. And this is not the first time they say something. It happened in Obasanjo regime. Somebody is dead and they later find out he's not dead. This is not the first time. So Ifeanyi Ubah case is not exceptional. So once he's just 52 years, why is he going to die? Or for all your own money. If so he's going to live on your own money for you to come and enjoy it.
No, but a 52 years old man can die. If 52 years, he can die.
He can die.
I don't think he's a prank. I think
he has the best doctors, the best everything. So why will he die? Ifeanyi Ubah is not dead, my friend. Talk another thing. Why you said Ifeanyi Ubah is dead? How can he live all his wealth and die? Talk what is this thing? How can Ifeanyi Ubah die?
But we see what people are saying as regards Ifeanyi Ubah. You know, the reaction, Anambrans and, you know, Biafrans, Nigerians, you know, we've seen their reaction. Even some people went to beer parlor to celebrate this.
Okay, let me ask you, are you people, people are saying, are you people?
No, we can see video all over, you know, all over the place. Even Samanekpa posted a video of people celebrating in a bar, you know, as regards them celebrating as regards his death.
Well, that is their own opinion. To me, talking to you, Ifeanyi Ubah is not dead. That is just the simple truth. I don't know where you get all these things from. Ifeanyi Ubah is not dead. That's the truth.
There's no way the media will come. I know we've seen artist like
Oh,
Skibby, a former artist under e-money label record. It was an artist. It's an artist rather. Effect is dead for days.
I know what I discussed with him. So he's not dead. Don't tell me he's dead. How can he die?
The same
Are you the one that
Ifeanyi
killed him?
was with Peter Obi. Was with Peter Obi July 12th. They were in a function. I think in a burial ceremony. We even promised Peter Obi. He even promised Peter Obi to that they should just go for a lunch at Ifeanyi's home. But
See, let me tell you something. I keep warning you and take this by warning. You are saying Ifeanyi is dead. He's not dead. He's alive. It's just a prank. That is the truth. A prank remains a prank. This is what I call Nigerian prank. They are just trying to fool us. Ifeanyi is alive, enjoying somewhere. Wait till 2 weeks to see Ifeanyi alive, walking on the street, enjoying on the street. Then you will understand he is not dead. How many times will I tell you this?
so is it until you see his coughing or is dead? But that's when you believe that
Okay, you
actually.
look like a dull student to me. I've been educating you for long that Ifeanyi is not dead. But you look like a dull student. You refuse to accept my lecture.
Because I know I'm saying the truth, and
What is true? What truth are you saying?
because everybody knows, and everybody,
are
the
you the one that
media.
killed him?
No, I'm not the one, but everybody
So,
knows.
are you the one that
The
killed him?
media and everybody knows that he's
Which
dead.
media? Which media kill? Which media know? Okay, tell me the media from heaven that knows that Ifeanyi is dead. Are you the one that killed him? So stop saying what you don't know. Me and Ifeanyi agreed that we are going to, when he comes back from his trip, we are going to dine somewhere, and you are telling me he's dead. Ogbeni Shara, he's not dead, he's alive. So this is just Nigerian prank. They are just trying to prank us.
Well, I see that it is not a politics. This is not a politics. This we're talking about death. There's no way a popular figure, a big figure like Ifeanyi will want to prank his own death. I don't think he wants to do
Okay,
that.
there is no way a popular figure would. Okay, now did you kill him?
Wait, Ifeanyi is the owner of Ifeanyi FC football club. He's also a oil
Are you
magnate.
the owner before? Or similar, is the owner. Are you the owner before?
No, nine be the owner.
Then why are you reminding me?
Yeah, I know.
Osime is the
I'm
owner.
trying to tell you that he's someone that is popular. So there's no way he wants to fake his own death to gain cheap popularity. That's what I'm trying to tell you. There's no way. There's no way he's faking his own death to get that cheap popularity as regard. Okay, and again, it's coming. Coming out as governor of Anambra. So do you think that he just wants to just do this just to gain that sympathy and popularity for the upcoming election?
Do I want to what?
Do you think he wants to fake his own death? He would just want to get that cheap popularity or sympathy for.
What I said is this: why don't you cool down and wait for 2 weeks and let's see if Ifeanyi is dead or not. All right, Nigerians, I want to talk to you. I'm sorry, Nigeria, this is just a prank. I know that Ifeanyi is dead, and may his soul rest in peace. That is just it. It's a prank. We all know. We are not rejoicing. Someone like me, I'm not rejoicing. We just lost a great man, and I'm sorry to the cold hands of death. 52 years, the man is gone. He did not even accomplish anything in this life. So, Nigerians, I'm just catching fun. Well, anyway, Ifeanyi, this is an example. What does this teach you, everybody? It teaches you that if you're in a better position, help people. Ifeanyi is in a better position to help so many people. He never helped anybody. If he had helped people, people would have been crying today. But what happened? People are celebrating, rejoicing. Look at Iwanyamu. What happened? People are rejoicing. They never helped people. You millionaires that are hearing me, this is an example for you to learn from others. Because when you help people, when you die, people will cry. People will cry out their eyes. But if Ifeanyi is dead, everybody is celebrating. Come and see jubilation in my street. Everybody is celebrating. Come and see jubilation everywhere. Everybody is celebrating. Just because of we are supposed to be crying. We are supposed to be mourning, but we are not mourning. We are rather jubilating and celebrating. You know what it means? It means when you are wicked, you are wicked. Ifeanyi upon all his worth is a wicked man. Then Iwanyamu upon all his worth is a wicked man. Now, Nigerians, let me tell you something. How sweet would it have been? Look at when Abiola died. What happened to Nigeria? We were crying. People felt it. People felt it. 80% of Nigerians felt it. Why? They know Abiola is a good man. That's what I'm trying to preach this morning. Please, you millionaires, you watching me, Please, when you have wealth, help people so that tomorrow, when you go, people will remember you for good. Not people celebrate about you. I don't pray that when I die, people celebrate me. I pray that when I go, people should cry over me and mourn me. Look at Ifeanyi, we're celebrating. It doesn't give me happiness. It doesn't give me joy. Look at me, I'm praying prank here on Ifeanyi. Why am I doing it? Because he's not a good man. So please, Nigerians, some of you watching me will say, Ifeanyi is a good man. Shut up. We all know he's not a good man. So please, always try to be nice, good to people. Use your wealth to help a lot of people. Look at Tinubu misleading us. Now we want to protest. The same man that staged protest against Jonathan government. We want to protest. Now he's using police to threaten us, using army to threaten us. But it's the same person that protested against, thinking that we Nigerians are fools. It's a lie. We will protest no matter anything. The protest is going to hold on. I will lead the protest. That is the truth. I want to make history in Nigeria. And then that protest, Nigeria will recognize me by force, because I am going to dress like a warrior. Nigeria is on fire. We need to correct things. We are fighting war, and we need to fight the war finish. And that's exactly what we are going to do on August 1st. So please, I want to advise all Nigerians watching me, anywhere you're watching. Somebody told me something. He said, please, always put your phone, your account number, so that they can send money. I said, no, I'm not a beggar. It's only a beggar that put in. I'm not a beggar like pastors that put in the account number. Please, I don't put in my account number. I'm okay with what I have in life. So what I'm trying to tell Nigerians is, please, in any situation you find yourself, always try to help people, assist people, be kind to people. Just help people. I've been doing it in my life. And I know that if tomorrow, if I go, people will speak good of me. That's the truth. But what about you? Look at the fire, but they are dead. His corpse is lying now in the mortuary to be buried. Rubbish at 52 years. Somebody who's supposed to stay up to 90, 52 years. Imagine how many years that was cut off from his life. Almost about 38 years. It's so sorrowful. So what I'm saying is, you have to be kind and good. The only person that died in this Nigeria that we all cried and mourned is Abiola. There's no other person. I've never seen any big person that died. Even Dangote, if he dies tomorrow, we are going to celebrate, because Dangote is not a helper. You only have a company, you are not helping people. I've never heard that Dangote established me. Dangote, no.
But he created job opportunities for
See, okay, that is the problem with Nigerians. Creating job is quite different, because I'm working for you and you are paying me. So it's quite different. But helping me is quite different. That is where Nigerians don't understand how to separate it. You may invest, and for people to be working with you does not mean you are adding to the economy of the country. It is for your own benefit. So what I'm trying to say here is that Nigerians listening and watching to me, everybody knows I'm speaking the truth. But I want to tell you something. I'm above threat. I'm not somebody threatening. I remember when I said something on Buhari that went viral. When I said so many things, people started threatening me. You are going to die. I said, you are very stupid. Do you know where I come from? Out on this world. Juju people. You people, can you hit Juju, man? Is it possible? No, you cannot. So please, I'm above threatening. You understand me? So all I just want to say is, I just want to say this. Please, and please, make sure you gather yourself and go out for this protest. Let us protest for our rights. Protest to the president and tell him that we are not satisfied with the way he's running this country. Let me tell you, my own protest is quite different. People are protesting that I should bring food down. That's not my protest. We don't want Tinubu is my protest. But who can do it along with me? Nobody. They are protesting with no food should come down. I'm not even saying price should come down. I don't want him again. I cannot continue to see his face as my president. Anytime I see his face as my president, it disturbs my heart. How will I have someone like that as a president? So please, next time, or when I come here, I don't want to be offended. Till next time I come your way, I remain just an only MC Grammar. Please take this camera away from me.
So God showed me this vision, not sitting down writing an article. This is not press conference. This is a vision I saw. Carry your youth along. I'm seeing a revolution. When I say revolution, I mean every revolution starts by protests. When it starts by protest, at that protest, the power can stop them. They have the ability to stop them. But when it becomes revolution, no one can stop revolution. Revolution means everyone is ready to go for it. I repeat again. I'm seeing what? A revolution. I'm seeing people taken to the streets. At the beginning of that protest, instead of revolution, I said protest is a parable. Yeah, because when it started, you think it's a protest. But at the end of the day, you realize that this is a revolution. You can stop protest, but you cannot stop revolution. You know, every revolution starts by protest. If I'm talking, let us see your hand. It will come, people carry placard, hey, 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 hey. You say, this is protest. You carry police, you carry everything, you stop them. But when it becomes revolution, everybody are ready to die. So you can't stop it. At the beginning of that protest, I call it beginning because at the beginning of every revolution, it looked like protest. It might be stopped at the beginning. Eventually, it will become so big that it cannot be stopped. This I see happen. Nigeria. Pray.
This morning, the police was already saying that Boko Haram, they're already planning on, joining the protest. What can I say to this as regards what TB has said?
Good morning. Thanks for having me on a wonderful platform once again. It's a privilege being here. When prophecy is what comes ahead, so it's a warning. They warned you. They've told you. They've warned you. You've gotten the sign that so things will happen. Now, for it not to happen, you have to adhere to it. Am I right?
Yeah.
So, but our people, we always, our politicians, they are always riding high on horses. I'm speaking in parables here. They are not feeling what you are feeling. So when a politician is telling you, "Oh, give government chance," and you have to ask yourself, where is their own children? Like I always say, they tell you, "Oh, education is a scam." Education can be a scam in Nigeria because you are using the old curriculum. Something of 20 years ago, they are still teaching it in the university now. That has expired. But their own children that are abroad are receiving the updated curriculum and they now come back again. So that be ministers, be as of assembly, as of rep, and everything. You understand? So they have planted their children abroad. They themselves, they can fly abroad for medication and everything. So life to them is good. So they don't know what you are. You understand? They don't know what you are facing.
Yeah.
You cannot beat a child and ask that same child not to cry. Am I right? So you have put these people into perpetual penury, to poverty, and you ask them, they must react now. There's a way you push a goat, you beat a goat. That goat, instead of using his horn, it's going to bite you because you have pushed it to the wall. It has nowhere to go. So what Tim Joshua have said. This video should go viral, and those politicians, they should not sit down and think about it. You understand? But it is hunger protest. Ebi okay, one can come into one now. Yeah, in my people, they used to say that if you remove hunger from poverty, at least that level of poverty is like 50% off. That hunger, it is that level of hunger that is pushing people. You see, a full-blood person, a full grown-up person is begging on the streets.